Hey, my name's Kate, and I am a chef for a very discerning group of people, my kids. They're incredibly picky, and it's really hard to get them to eat anything that isn't like a chicken McNugget or macaroni and cheese. But I have found a recipe that they absolutely love, and believe it or not, it's meatloaf. Yes, I know meatloaf is not really anyone's favorite, but in my house, it has become a favorite. There are a few things that I do different, which I really think makes it fun for the kids, and it also kind of tastes a little different than a traditional meatloaf. Number one, I actually use ground turkey instead of beef or pork or anything like that because honestly, I think the turkey has a little bit of a different flavor, and I'm kind of trying to avoid just like beef, beef, beef with the kids because they say, slow down on the red meat. So I do ground turkey, and then instead of doing like finely ground, like sawdust ground breadcrumbs, I actually I save my bread all week long, and I take big chunks of bread and I just rip it into huge chunks. And when I do that, it's almost like it holds all the moisture in the meatloaf while it's being cooked. It's really good, trust me. And then I think I do a little extra milk than normal. Once again, because I have all that bread and I really want it to soak in there and keep everything super moist. I'm able to hide a few onions in there, dice them really, really fine. And I don't do the ground mustard seed. I honestly, I've never had any in my kitchen. So I just squirt a big dollop of mustard in there and everybody seems to like it. So then I actually put it, instead of putting it in a big tin or whatnot, I actually use like a muffin tin. So it's really fun because it makes individual little meatloaves. And then it's not complete, of course, until you squirt tons of ketchup on top. And then I also like to add a really sweet barbecue sauce, like a Sweet Baby Ray's, and I put that on top too. Put it in the oven. It's so fast because they're all individual. And I pull it out, and the kids are actually like, can I have more, please? And I cannot tell you how exciting it is as a mom to be able to get my children with very discerning palates to eat their dinner.